How to fix Photomath application not working. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. If your application is crashing, there might be a bug issue. To solve that, follow this simple step. First and foremost, open up your settings. From here, scroll down, tap on Apps, select All Apps. Tap on the search bar and search for Photomath. Force stop the application. Then go to Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache. Once you do this, the bug issue must be solved. If you have an updated version of your Android, press and hold onto your application. Head to App Info. Follow the same step of force stopping it, then heading to Storage and Cache, then clearing up the cache. Now once you are done from here, open up your Play Store, search for Photomath, tap on it. If there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. The final step that you can try is open up your setting. Head back from here. Check for your system update. Make sure your system is up to date so that it can support the version of Photomath application. And that is how you can solve your application not working. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.